How can I change my nationality on PayPal?
Hello there. In today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to change your nationality on PayPal. PayPal is an international payment service that allows users to send and receive money over the internet. Understanding how to adjust your personal details such as nationality is crucial for smooth transactions and adherence to legal requirements in different countries.
Why would you want to change your nationality on PayPal?
Changing your nationality on PayPal might be necessary for a variety of reasons. It's possible that you've recently gained citizenship in a new country or you had to relocate for work or personal reasons. Updating your nationality ensures that you are adhering to the local laws and regulations of your new country.
Can you change your nationality on PayPal?
In most cases, PayPal does not allow the changing of the country in your account due to different legalities and financial regulations in each country. This implies that you might not be able to change your nationality directly. However, there's a workaround to this.
What's the workaround to change your nationality on PayPal?
If you've moved to a different country, you will need to close your existing account and open a new one. To do this, follow these steps. 1. Remove all financial information. Before closing your account, make sure you've removed all the bank accounts, debit or credit cards linked to your account. 2. Close your existing PayPal account. After removing all financial information, go to the Settings, select Close Account option and follow the instructions. 3. Create a new PayPal account. Now that you've closed your old account, you can create a new one. During the sign-up process, make sure to select your new country and enter the rest of your details accordingly. Remember, do not forget to link your new financial information, like bank accounts and cards associated with your new nationality, to the new PayPal account.
Are there any complications in changing nationality on PayPal?
While this process is relatively straightforward, there are some important points to consider. Currency differences. Be aware of the currency exchange rates as you are moving between accounts in different countries. New financial regulations. You may encounter different rules or fees based on your new location. That wraps up our guide on how to change your nationality on PayPal. It may be a bit of an inconvenience to close and reopen your account, but it's essential for compliance with PayPal's policy and the financial regulations of your new country. Always make sure to keep your personal information updated and accurate. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.